Please turn it around. Right behind me. Turn your radio station stuff. As oh wow, look at this.
What's worse?
Well, you can crack open the cookies. You can serve the cookies.
You want cookies or the popcorn now?
Cookies, please.
Huh?
Cookies, please. Wow, this is beautiful.
This is good. You're not behind 1,000 cars. I like this. We got no lights in our windshield mirror. That guy's way behind us. Not bad. This is actually good. Because he was like, his lights are reading that.
Closure.
Cool. You best to bet to leave the camera out, full out zoom, not zoom in at all, and you'll get more light into the lens.
Yeah.
If you leave it in full out, and then just point it out the window. And record. Remember, you got full sides of the car you have to go. I think us getting cookies popcorn will held everybody up.
There's an eagle in there.
Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus.
Niagara,
Yeah.
Santa's giving you the finger.
Come around when the chimes ring out, then it's Christmas morn again.
Happy long to come to the back there. Wow, look how big this park is.
Yeah, Tucker was so young still that we didn't get very far. Gibbons! I love Gibbons! Look above you, bud.
Help to make the season bright.
That's pretty.
Tiny tots with their eyes.
Looks like they actually got ice rain down here.
Will find it hard to sleep tonight.
Yeah, we made the right choice to come in here first and then go in the mall.
First. There's tigers in there. Leopards.
Oh,
We
wow.
got tigers over here.
We got all the stuff on our side, Becca.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it used to be called zoos. Hippos. When we came in here, the hippos scared you.
Really?
Yeah, because one came up and out. And there's a splash pad here, around here somewhere.
Oh, the reindeer. We're running. Ho, ho, ho! What do I say? Look, that elf's giving the finger too.
Oh,
30, 15 minutes. You go around the water and then come up the other end. Look, it's a donut. A blue donut.
A blue donut.
Is that on camera?
Hmm?
As long as you have the window down, you're okay, right? That's a generator, run all the lights. That's a lot of lights to take down now once they're done. How far do you think it was to hang those? Look at the lights. Look at that tree. Beautiful sight. It's nice to have prescription glasses that can focus on lights. Because if I had them in my other glasses, I would have all been pick up for whatever. Is that a hockey stick? Little tail moving. We got somebody shaking Santa with reindeer's hand, or giving him a food. Brush that.
Everywhere you go, there's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well. There's certain kind that doesn't have snow.
Like I said, good luck on taking them down. A lot of lights. Still drinking a drink. You have the Pepsi there? I've got the butt drink. Imagine if you accidentally turn right, left. Oops. The drink. What? You get that back on the camera?
Yep, I got the tree.
What?
I have the tree.
Yeah. Film upward. Wow. Look at that, eh? That's cool. Oh, look at the tunnel we're going into. Check this tunnel out. Hey, you find your eyes have trouble focusing on the blue? I do. Like the light, bring them to focus with your eyes.
Yes and no.
It's a weird bag, eh? I'm watching this go all over the side. See, that guy shows respect. Those two cars in front of us, they shut all their lights off.
Well, that one behind us turns like town.
Yeah. You can't have the weather being too. Like that guy in the trunk behind us.
Bird?
I can hear the birds.
Oh wow. We're in the blue land.
Oh, blue.
How about you?
So used to.
Is that this tree?
Very pretty, very pretty. I'm trying to like get everything.
No, that's okay. Don't worry. If you keep it not zoomed in though, it'll focus automatically. Should I just point out the window?
Can't put it at the window because it's raining.
Look, Shannon said it's fixing our garage. Got a lot of work to do. Really.
Oh, you did a beautiful job on decorating the zoo.
Come in? Yeah. Really? That's quick.
Why are we out?
Oh. Not the end right there. That's great.
Too bad they don't let you go again.
It's 20 minutes. Okay, let's see what this wait to look like. This looks like I'm watching on a TV. Hey, open the other side, Becca.
I got it all.
Oh, did you?
Or I'm shutting the window. It's raining out hard and it's getting on my phone.
It's not raining out here.
You're allowed to do that? Park?
Oh, then.
No.
Yep.
Uh-oh.
Be a little from behind.
Yeah, I forgot how good theater popcorn can actually taste.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Go back, I filmed that off the water. The blue off the water on my side. Pretty?
Very.
Polar bear?
There's some more reflections off the water.
I'm recording it all.
Right here.
Better not try.
Better not count, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list. Said you better watch out.
Better not try.
Oh, it was nice to do something this year. I haven't sit home.
Yeah. Passage to go through again.
Yeah.
Too bad they don't let you.
There's like a little hidden ramp you can go. Maybe that's the ramp you gotta go right there. You gotta take your car over that hill. And this way.
Look at all the little snowballs.
It took us half an hour to go through here. Because we were here almost half an hour, like 20 minutes early. It's now quarter after 6.
Yeah, they didn't care about the time, they didn't have a ticket.
It was, somebody made a comment that it was really, the lights were really pretty this year.
Oh,
And it took them about 40 minutes to get through the whole thing.
And when you really break it down,